Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm Lisa from Down to Earth Gardening and it is cold out here. This might be a very quick video, but I wanted to show you a few perennials that I've left this year that I haven't cut back that are really providing some pretty winter interest. So every year I experiment a little and then I have my tried and true perennials that I leave in the winter, but it's fun to see something going on in the winter. And it's also nice to leave something for the birds, for nesting, shelter, and whatnot. I have a lot of clients, they talk about seasonal appeal, and in order to provide that, it's not just about the evergreens, it can also be about some perennials that we can leave and not cut back to offer some winter appeal when it's kind of tough to have a lot going on in the garden, especially if you live in New England like I do. I'm here in Connecticut. So I wanted to show you these perennials before we get some snow. It's fun to leave these in the snow. They really shine in the snow, or if we don't get snow, it's just something that's going on. So first one is Coral Bells. So this is my Mega Caramel Coral Bells. I've left the spent flowers and the leaves, and look at how pretty this is right now. This is definitely one of my top favorite plants, although you do hear me say that a lot, but it just offers so much interest year round. So middle of winter and it's looking pretty great. And then over here I have my Japanese sedge grass. So it is brown, but I do think it offers some really nice texture, and I kind of like the color right now. So there's lots of things that you can leave in your garden. I'm just giving you a few of them that I've left in my yard this year. So I'm going to walk you over to the front and show you a few more. So this is a newbie for me. I just planted this one this year. You may have seen it in some other videos. This is my Agastache, and you can actually see where some of the new growth is popping up, but I've left the spent blooms, and I think the height and the texture out here is kind of pretty. And then behind me I have a tried and true, which is my coneflower. So this is a really nice one to leave. I may have talked about this before. I love my echinacea, and I have a full length video out on that. But the seed heads provide some nice food for the birds in the winter. And I love to do a little bird watching too, so this is a fun one. Okay, so I have 3 over here in my east facing garden in the front of my house. And one of them is the Siberian iris. And I love the seed pods in the winter. I have dried some of these and even spray painted some for some holiday decorating, but these are really pretty in the garden right now. And then on the other side of me here, I have my lavender, and this is Hidcote. I absolutely love the steely gray color that this little woody perennial offers in the winter time. And then another favorite of mine, and this is a tried and true that I leave every year, is my little Pennisetum short ornamental grass called Hameln. It's a nice dwarf grass. Not only is the texture great, but it just has a great arching habit. And it's funny, sometimes you'll notice in catalogs that the name is transposed a little bit, and some people call it Hamlin. So it's actually Hameln grass, but it's really pretty. So I think we're getting some snow. It's getting really chilly here, but thank you for joining me today. And I'm probably going to be bringing you a little winter garden tour when we get some snow, because I also love how pretty everything looks in the snow. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do. We have many more gardening videos coming your way.